All right, welcome back. Week 4. Here's your instructions and checklist video for the week. Um, Nothing's going to change in terms of attendance. Make sure we're logging on each day into Schoology and into the attendance folder. Okay, log in to take your weekly attendance. On Wednesday, we'll go back to our normal time. Okay, on Wednesday, April 22nd, all of you are going to be required to check in. We'll have our Google video conference on Wednesday from 10:15 to 11. On Tuesday and Thursday, if you have any missing work, so if you are missing any work from week 2, you didn't turn in an assignment, you need to get on to a Google video conference with me on Tuesday from 10:15 to 11, and we'll sit and we'll go through some of that work that you're missing. You will be getting an email from me if you are missing work. So if you are missing any assignments from week 2, plan on Tuesday, April 21st, 10:15 to 11. We'll have a video conference. If you're missing any work from week 3, that one will be on Thursday from 10:15 to 11 a.m. So if you're missing work from both, you're going to have 3 video conferences this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. If you have all your work turned in, you will not get an email from me, and you will not have to attend either of these Tuesday and Thursday video conferences. That's only if you're missing work. Number 2, watch the content videos and articles posted in the Greens Reading Notes and Content Videos folder. The content this week is going to be on universal basic income. We talked last week about wealth inequality and what should be done about wealth inequality. And universal basic income is one of the proposed suggestions that many policymakers and lawmakers are entertaining on whether this would be a way to maybe help close that wealth gap a little bit. So we're going to investigate UBI, or Universal Basic Income, which is basically the government giving a basic level of income to every American, regardless of how much money they make or what they're involved, what they do as far as work. You just be getting a weekly or monthly check from the government. And since the coronavirus bailout checks have come out, it's kind of reopened the discussion and conversation about this policy. So we're going to explore it this week. So you have 3 assignments. Universal Basic Income, this one's due Wednesday. It's going to be about 10 or 11 questions. After you have watched and read through these, you should be able to answer those questions. Assignment number 2 is a pros and cons. This one's due Thursday, and you could probably, as you're reading and watching these videos, complete the pros and cons assignment. And all of the videos and readings that you have to do are linked. Okay, they are linked to this assignment. I'll show you that in a second. And then you're going to have a discussion that's going to be due on Friday. And I would hold off to Friday to answer that question, Thursday or Friday to answer that question. So just the assignments. This one will be pretty straightforward. It's just going to be a series of questions. This one pull it up here. All of these links here are going to be for the sources you need to look at. And what this is basically going to do is help you to outline the main ideas and arguments surrounding universal basic income. So each of these sources is going to either be in favor of or discuss what it is, what UBI is, how it works, what are some of the arguments in favor, what are some of the arguments against. So after you've read or watched each of these sources, over here you answer these questions. What's the main idea of the source? Does the source support or disagree with UBI? And explain the arguments contained in each of the sources. So the arguments are essentially, what is the source trying to convince you of? Okay, so you kind of give a summary of each of these sources over here. And this is due on Thursday. That should be it. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure if you've got missing work, be ready to attend one of those face-to-face conferences. All right, have a good week.